or in Russia, I think that there are people who, especially Jewish audiences, certain Jewish audiences, who are offended at any negative portrayal of a Jewish person, even if it's just a balanced portrayal, because, excuse me, who is a saint? Who is only beautiful? Am I? You know? I can be an idiot, I can be a wise man, I can be a son of a bitch, I can be a saint, right? I mean, everyone on a given day, in a given moment, is you know, reveals a different side of their personality. But I think that it's very strange, and maybe it's a result of the Holocaust, where people believe that any negativity towards Jews is going to cause future persecution, right? But a nation that loses its sense of humor and ability to laugh on oneself, because Babel was laughing at himself, he was a Jew for Pete's sake. So when you are losing that ability to laugh on yourself, and of course it's not the nation that is losing it, it's very particular individuals who are losing it.